And welcome back to the channel. The boys break off this week, so I just want to pack their teachers' gifts. I bought this since last week. I kind of hid it away, but I didn't do too much this year because apparently there's a limit to how much you can spend. But anyway, I got stuff for all 4 teachers, so I have gift bags here. I also got these organizer trays. This is how they set them up like this. I have quite a few of them that I use for my jewelry business, and they're quite handy. And I think that because they're teachers and they have bits and bobs that they're carrying up and down, they would need that. So I got 2 purples and 2 pinks. I'm putting 1 each in each bag. I also have their cards here, 4 cards. These are just thank you cards and they look so pretty. Anyway, the boys usually do this, handmade each year, but I can't be chasing them up and down to do that. Ideally it would have been nice to have them write their teacher's name on there, but hey ho. They have this really cute journal here. These are for their notes. It's like an under the sea theme and it's really nice. It's graduated and everything. It has some lines in there and it looks really nice. I think I should have gotten one for myself, but anyway, so 4 each. Well, 4 in total. Please, I just came back from work, so bear with me. My mind is still trying to catch up with my reality. I got 4 big chocolate packs here, so 1 each. Got pens. These just have, some have pearls, some have cherries on them, but yeah, so that's it. And last but not the least, they're all getting 1 earring. Get ready to take a screen grab. This is a QR code to the website and it just makes it a lot easier for them to find the website. So these are some of my earlier designs that I'm not selling. I think I've said that a couple of times here on the channel. This is another one, has a bee on it. This one is sort of a minimalist one. It has my old logo when I was still in my testing and iteration phase. Yeah, that's just a purple one with a gold hardware. And yeah, the black one with the bee gold hardware on there. I think that's basically everything. It's just a repeat of designs and everything. But yeah, I have 6 in total because there might be an extra teacher that I have not that I have not taken into account here. So I'm just going to wrap them in our packaging. This is one of our packaging. We have about 3 different kinds of packaging, so this one is the one I'm looking to just stuff these earrings in like that. And then I'm just going to pack them up because I'm picking the boys up today and these need to be in the teacher's hands. Once it seals off, this is sort of how it looks. You can see the new logo on there and it just has a cute bow at the top there. I think it's really nice. I need to go and get the rest of the box because I think I left them in the office. I got some more.
I'm not even going to talk about how much this whole setup cost me. That's minus the value of the earrings. But is it me, or are things just getting more and more expensive compared to last year? I know how much I spent for this teacher's package, and I know a couple of people who actually said they're not even going to go ahead and do anything because the cost of how much it is, you know, and the number of teachers in a class. When I got to the school, this is something you get to see much later. I mean, there were more teachers than I had accounted for. I think for one of my children, they had about 4 teachers, and I don't know, I know it's not compulsory, but I don't know how many people can afford to, you know, give gifts to as many teachers as 4 per class. And that's for people who have multiple children. I know people who may have 4 or 5 children in school. 3, 4, 5 children. How many teachers are you catering for?
So yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna take a picture for my thumbnail because this is gonna be looking good on my thumbnail.
Well, honestly speaking, I think teachers deserve a lot more than chocolates, if I'm being honest. There's been numerous complaints from teachers who have been going through the worst experience ever. You know, this change with the social media era and, you know, just the parenting style and just the way things have gone, really. I feel like teachers are going through the absolute worst. I've known teachers to come online and talk about their experiences in the class dealing with children who are difficult, the new government directives on how to handle children who do not want to learn. It's just a whole lot.
That's the first bag packed. I have to rush and do the rest of this really quickly because I'm running behind time. Yeah, already. It's kind of heavy. One bag is different because I like that teacher in particular. I'm partial like that. And that's because I like that teacher in particular. So I made hers extra special. I won't tell you what I did. I'm still in my work trousers, but I'm just going to put these shoes on. Kind of goes with the top. So that's gonna be it. I can't wait for these holidays, honestly. I don't even know what I'm looking forward to, but I booked so much time off, and a lot of that time is dedicated to the business, but I'm going to make time for the family as well, obviously. I mean, the boys are going to be home for 6 weeks. Who's excited? Yay!
Anyway, I just quickly dropped them off at school, picked the boys up, and now I'm just getting home to eat. I think it's my first meal of the day. This is roughly around 4. And I was supposed to cook this stew, but my husband ended up cooking it, and the shock on my face, you know, soup said slapped, like really, really good. Anyway, I'm having that with my tuna salad. I think I was supposed to show you that recipe, but I'm very sure I did not film it because you should have seen it by now. Anyway, this dinner was refreshing. I'm just catching up with my countdown. I think I had about 2 or 3 days before lunch in this video, but anyway, I'll give a shout out at the end of the video. I just wanted to thank everyone for, you know, how much they've contributed to the success of Tola Lusi Troves. Anyway, in the coming days, I went ahead to revamp the boys' room. I took it from this. I mean, before we filmed this video, I had to get them to clean it up. It's not always looking clean. Obviously they're boys, but yeah, I tried to get them to at least make their beds and, you know, put their toys away, and yeah, get to looking clean at least. But anyway, I think it needed a little sparkle, and even though they're boys, they sort of need to have a little something in their room that just, you know, says it's a child's room. But anyway, I just decided to revamp it, and Shein reached out for a collaboration. It's a back to school collaboration, and yeah, we kind of went with the SpongeBob and Tom and Jerry theme. Yes, I know it's not very age appropriate, but at least their room got a revamp, and I think they liked it. I particularly like the SpongeBob one, and yeah, that's the one we chose to review for this video. So we got beddings, we got a laundry basket, we also got some keychains and some, you know, summer spritzers, and yeah, we got this cherry rug as well. I think it just ties the room together. It's such a great addition to the space. If you guys are interested in anything here, they will all be listed in the description box below. We also got this really cute pencil case, and yeah, I really liked how everything turned out. I also got this pajamas, so mom wasn't left out. Anyway, in other news, there are your favorite stores are now on Shein. So I got this Under Armour shirt. I also got a pair of New Balance and Puma kicks, and I think they came out really, really nice. I really love the fact that, you know, Shein is becoming such an affordable space where even big brands and well-known brands are starting to set up shop there. So it makes it easy for you to, you know, get your designer items. I think I've seen Coach, I've seen a number of designer perfumes as well on Shein as well. So yeah, definitely check that out. It will also be linked below. And this is to say thank you to everyone who has engaged with Tola Lusi Troves up until now. We've made so much news about our launch day. We are actively taking orders right now, and I'm just grateful to everyone who has bought something on the website, engaged with our posts, followed us on our social media, and just literally contributed to the success of our launch. I just want to say a huge thank you so much to everyone. We are still taking orders, and we hope to see yours in the coming week or weeks. So thank you everyone for watching up until now. That is all that we have for today's video. I will see you guys in our next one. Remember to like, share, subscribe, to all of that good stuff, and I will see you guys in the week or weeks to come. Let's carry on the conversation in the comment section and keep me busy in this week. Keep me going back and forth to the post office. I'll see you in the next one.